We've got one of the exceptional cars today. This is a 1967 Chevelle, big block, automatic, air conditioned, body off frame, rotisserie restored, and I'm telling you, this is one of the exceptional ones. It is detailed, it is fresh, it is done right. Look underneath, look under the hood, look inside, look down the panels. It is going to impress you. Go to volocars.com, and that's where you can look at all these pictures top to bottom, read about the car, and that's where you find a price tag on every car, along with the monthly finance option as well. That's at volocars.com, along with a Buy It Now button. You can click that button, and that locks the car in for you while you're thinking and talking to the salesman, but that way it won't get away from you. If you enjoy our videos, subscribe to the YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, underneath is really nice. I mean, there's body off frame, and then there's the exceptional, and that's what this one is. So the body was separated from the frame. The underbody is pristine metal. All the floors, the braces, everything is just spotless metal, painted as smooth and glossy as this right here. It's all gloss red. So the frame was stripped and prepped and painted gloss black. Every component was replaced. All of the suspension, front and back, was completely rebuilt. Extra sway bars, boxed rear control arms, gas shocks. The steering's completely rebuilt. The fuel system's completely replaced. The brake system's completely replaced and upgraded with disc in the front. It has a pipes, fat dual exhaust system. It's all stainless steel. The mufflers are polished. It has the X pipe. I think it has some fancy tips coming up the back. Yeah, big oval stainless tips. You look up at the motor, it's still spotless. It has a polished high torque starter and a polished flywheel cover. Transmission, I think, has a polished pan as well. 336 posi in the back. So just everything under this car is just like new, and it all is done neatly. All the lines are run real nice, just a meticulous job. Now let's look at the body. It has the SS domed hood, fits square. You can just tell by looking at it, it is straight. I see the reflection of the rafters and the ceiling. It's like looking at a red mirror. This is absolutely straight, laser beam straight, arrow straight, whatever you want to call it. That's what it is. Clean metal. The gaps are square and flush and fitting beautifully. No vinyl top. It's all nice, clean metal. Right down to the bottom, nice and clean. Shuts beautifully. No rattles. This is all outstanding, clean metal all the way to the bottom. Car was built in Georgia. We bought it in Alabama, so it's a southern car. Yeah, this all lines up beautifully. I'm not seeing any shrinkage or body work showing or anything at all. Yeah, this is outstanding. It's probably better than it was when it was new. Clean. I haven't found not one bubble. Nice. Outstanding, outstanding, outstanding. Yeah, look how it's flush, lines up nice. I mean, excellent. Painted red, it's like glass. I did not notice any flaws as I looked around. There's a little, tiny touch-up right there. And I'm sure maybe there's another flaw or two, but this is show quality paint, like red glass. All the chrome is just sparkling. This looks new. Even the wiper arms are shiny, and the blades themselves, and all the moldings, new mirrors. The grill, the bumper, the lenses, all that looks new. The cross flags look new. All the moldings and trim. Vent window frames look new. Yeah, even the vent windows are new. All the glass was replaced. All the rubber gaskets, window seals, weather strips, all replaced. Cragar wheels are brand new. Those were just put on with some nice fat BF Goodrich tires. They look like they're 15-inch, and yes, they are. Got a power antenna. Tail lights, trim, all that is new. It's got the blacked out SS tail panel. This trim looks new. And not only is everything new, but it all fits right. You can have a car filled with new parts, and I've seen them where they just don't come together right. This was meticulously put together. Let's continue the tour inside. All right, let's see what the trunk looks like. And just like I expected, beautiful. Look at the paint underneath here. It's as slick as the top side. It has stainless steel hardware. They ran a little plastic coating around the single wire. Didn't need to, but you can tell being meticulous. The jamb is slick. The weather strip's new. It's been completely boxed and carpeted. You have some more storage in there. CD changer right there, and it's all painted gloss red inside there. Tires not been used. Brand new rally wheel for a spare. That's a nice trunk compartment. Door jambs are painted as slick as the car. Weather strips are new. Sill plates are new. Even up front by the hinges is glossy. The little button that turns the interior lights on and off is new. Notice it has power windows, all new door panels, armrest, door handle. All redone dash, new dash pad, new bezels. It's got digital gauges. Light them up for you. There's only 847 miles on this car since it's been built. All of this is new, and again, it fits right. Retro stereo, heater control panel is new. All the metal is painted gloss red. All the vents are replaced. Interior lights work. Carpet fits nice. SS embroidered mats. All new center console with the overdrive indicator for the overdrive automatic. Seats are rebuilt, recushioned, reupholstered. This chrome trim in a couple places is bad. I think this one feels fine, but on the passenger seat, the chrome is peeling. Back seats upholstered and door panels and all that's redone. The trim and the rear sail panels are loose on both sides. Remind the salesman if you're buying it, we'll tidy that up. Headliner's new, light works, visors, mirror, that's all new. Cushion grip, SS steering wheel. Pedals, wiring, everything looks like new. Very meticulous. If you're one of the fussy ones, I think this one will suit you just fine. So this is a correct Chevelle motor. I think it's even dated for this car. It's probably putting out about 400 horsepower. It's got a little hotter cam. It has a polished intake with an Edelbrock carb, an electric choke, MSD ignition system. Dressed up with some nice aluminum breather and valve covers and all the stainless braided hoses and fuel line. And has a cover over some of this AC parts. All painted gloss, either gloss black, gloss red. Has the March True Track billet system in front. You got polished AC compressor, polished one-wire alternator, polished water pump, billet pulleys with a serpentine belt. We got twin electric fans on the new radiator, which has a polished overflow, polished power steering reservoir, all new steering box and the coupler, Doug's headers, chrome power brakes and master cylinder, fancy dipstick for the trans. The squirters are hooked up. Wiper motor looks new. Under the hood is glossy as the car. New hood insulation. The only thing is there's some mild water spots on the aluminum. Actually, it's coming off with my hand. Need a little detailing on the aluminum. But yeah, this thing is stunning. nice car. You can look at 50 67 Chevelles, and I'll guarantee it's going to be in the top 5, not the number 1. This car is outstanding. If you called up and said you're a trained assassin and you asked me, is this a good car? I would say absolutely. I would sell you this car because you're not going to complain about this one. Everything about it, fit, finish, function. I mean, it's amazing. So go to volocars.com. Even has little polished pieces up here. Talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions, including how to get it to your door and how to get it financed. That's at volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon, and you'll be notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.